the arc length first is, and each of these is given both in terms of degrees or radians. It all depends on which measurement your angles are given in. Right, if you are given in degrees, okay, so if you're looking at m in degrees, your arc length is the equation m over 360, some fraction of a circle's circumference, which is 2 pi r. Okay, and so since the 2 and the 360 have a common factor, we could reduce this down to m over 180 times pi r. Okay, so this is, S is the arc length. Okay. Yep, you guys should have done this last year. Right, so in this problem that's given here, you have a radius of 12 feet, an arc length of 9 feet, and you want to find your angle measure. So you know that your S value is 9, your M value is your unknown. So you can plug that in, pi times your radius is given as 12, and so it's just a matter of solving. 12 goes into 180 15 times. We multiply both sides by 15 over pi to get m completely alone. Those cancel, and you get 9 times 15, which is 135 over pi. And if you want the approximate answer for this, 135 divided by pi in decimal form is approximately 42.97 degrees. Okay, now because of the conversion between degrees and radians, you can also express this in terms of radians, and that is m times pi over 180 is equivalent to theta in radians, right? Radians is pi over 180 is the conversion from degrees to radians. And so if you're given an angle in radians, then your arc length, you can replace this whole thing with theta, and it's the simple equation theta times radius. Okay, so in this particular problem here, you have a radius of 11, and the measurement for your angle is given in radians, and so your total arc length is going to be theta times r, where you have 2 pi over 3 times a radius of 11. Multiplying across, you get 22 pi over 3. So that would be your exact answer. And if you put it into the decimal equivalent, I'll enter a decimal so it displays as a decimal. I get 23.04 approximately. And now my my measurement is a length. So it's whatever the units happen to be that's not specified in this problem.